All right, so the next one is Vocaroo. I think is how it's pronounced. I have to thank Barbara Bateman for teaching me about this one. And it's just a free audio voice recorder. Now, you may already have some kind of voice recorder on your system, and you may not need one, but if you want a free one and you don't have access, or if you want your students to have access to a voice recorder for free, then here is a great, easy one to use. So notice all I did was enter vocaroo.com, and here it is. That's the entire website. So I just press the record button. Hola, buenos días. Estoy muy saludable hoy. Gracias a Dios. Stop, and my file is ready. Play.
Hola, buenos días. Estoy muy saludable hoy. Gracias a Dios.
That's it. Click Save and Share, and it gives you all these options. You can either download the file, you can grab a link to it, you can embed it in iCollege, you can get a QR code if you want to get really fancy, share it with any of these social media links, or email it to yourself or your students. Just amazing tool that's super easy to use. So that is a great one if you only need to record audio. Now, if you want to do some teaching with sort of a PowerPoint and audio together methodology, here's the easiest way to do that. In the Supersite, under Resources, Content Area, Resources, you may not have known they had these, but you can find grammar slides already put together for you. So let's just download this one here. You can download it. Okay, so we'll download it this way, and we'll just open it from there. And then when it opens in PowerPoint, you may have the ability to record audio over your slides, where you could actually record yourself teaching a grammar point. So for example, in this version, I would go to Insert in my PowerPoint program, Insert Audio, and then Record Audio. And click on Record. I can move this over to give myself room. So it's recording. So we use ser for many reasons. For example, to express someone's profession, like soy profesora, tú eres estudiante, Don Francisco es conductor. Save it, and then the audio is embedded within PowerPoint. And click on Record.
So we use ser for many reasons.
So you can do that for each slide. If you don't have that capability and just want to add audio, Vocaroo, you can use that. Download the files and then insert them the same way. You go to Insert Audio and then just go to From File and find it on your computer. So that's a very easy way to go about it. And then I also wanted to show you something called Screencast-o-matic, and I think Stephen is the one I need to thank for pointing this one out in a recent webinar during a department meeting. But I'm using Camtasia to do my capturing, which I can't seem to show you while I'm using Camtasia to capture. But anyway, if you have it, it's great. If you don't, you might need access to a free screen capture resource. So there's one that you can utilize for free called Screencast-o-matic. All right, and as you can see, it's free. Just start recording for free. And it just walks you through the steps to launch the recorder, which you do. And you'll need to open it, just click OK and launch and all those sorts of things when you are prompted. All right, so it looks like we are good to go. And then I have this little red button at the bottom of my screen. Okay, and then it's going to give me the dots to capture my screen. And I can nudge those if I need to. And when I'm ready, down here it jumps around a little bit, but you'll just look for the red button to record. So you can use your screen, your webcam, or both. And then click on your preference and record. So I can record anything on my screen. I can go back to my PowerPoint and record the PowerPoint as a video presentation. Podemos usar ser también para la posesión. Por ejemplo, es la computadora del conductor. So possession also uses ser. There you go. Or you can highlight something for your students that's online, such as changes you've made to the syllabus, or how to use Flipgrid, or how they can use things in Supersite that might be new tools to them. So very beneficial. Once you have finished, just click on the pause. You can play it back here, and then you can click on Done, and it gives you some options to either quick share, to edit it, or to save and upload it. So free screen capturing system. Very, very nice. Kaltura can also be used, but I know that it's experiencing some some delays and things like that because of how almost all of us have been using it lately. So hopefully this will give you another free option. Okay, I only have one more to share with you, I promise. And I need to add that no one expects you to use all of these things. These are options, so that if there's something that you are wanting to accomplish in your face-to-face class, that you can find a way to still make it happen online. So the last thing I want to point out is Kahoot. Now, a lot of us have used Kahoot for our classes, and I've only ever used it in the classroom setting where I open up the classroom mode, and I have it on the screen, and then they're playing against one another in real time. But I learned from my student that you can create a Kahoot challenge, and the students can play it asynchronously whenever they'd like. So you can create a free account here, and it looks like they're even giving away access to the premium level for free right now, although basic is really all you need. So if you don't have an account, it's easy to create a free account. I'm just going to go ahead and log in, and you can create your own Kahoot. It's just a multiple choice timed quiz, really, is all it is. Or you can discover Kahoots that have already been created based on a specific topic. Based on a very specific topic, you'd be amazed at how many there are on each grammar topic. And once you have had a chance to preview them and select one that you like, I do recommend that you preview the answers to be sure that each one has the correct answer selected. Some are created by teachers, but some are also created by students. So you do want to preview one if you plan to use one that's already created. But if it looks good, then instead of clicking on play, which you would do in the classroom, instead you click challenge. Then you get to set this challenge up for your students. So you can select the due date, due time, and whether or not you want the question timer to be on, and you can randomize the question order, and then you click create, and it gives you the thing that you need to give your students, which is the challenge pin. You can give them a link. They're so accustomed already to entering pins that I think I would prefer to share the pin. So you could simply copy this and send it out in an announcement in iCollege, an email, post it in an announcement in the Supersite. However you want to do that, you would just give that to them to utilize, and then they would just take a picture or a little screen, a shot of their completion screen to send to you, either via email, or they can upload it to an assignments Dropbox in iCollege to show that they have done the Kahoot. And you can give them the extra credit, or if it's being assigned as an assignment, the grade for the assignment. But a great way to keep them engaged and having fun. Kahoot's fun, so it's something that makes it feel like they're playing in real time, even though they're playing asynchronously. And if you have any questions or need any resources, feel free to reach out. My email address is right here. Okay, buena suerte a todos. Adiós.